YouTube? It's your boy Marley, and I'm back with an update. I know it's been a month. I really haven't updated y'all on my project and shit like that. I was recently involved in a car accident, so you can kind of see the different colors kind of going on. But I'm finna just give y'all a little walk around of everything that has happened. You know, show y'all a couple pictures and shit. Somebody decided to pull out at me at the yellow light, and they wound up colliding with the passenger side. So now I needed a whole new door. I'll throw a picture right there. I needed a whole new door because as soon as they hit it, it kind of ripped the entire passenger door open. Now my girlfriend was with me at the time, but she's perfectly fine. Only problem is, you know, the car really got hit. But as y'all could really tell, for the people that really has been watching me over this car, already kind of knew I needed a new fender. So this is the passenger side. So we kind of go on the driver's side. This whole brand new fender. It's the fender that everybody has been telling me to replace and get correct, and just, you know, just a bunch of BS in my ear. But I finally replaced it. I had to get a washer and a bolt from AutoZone. As you can tell, this is from the old fender. The last owner they drilled in bolts into that fender just so it hold. This, I didn't have to do that. So now when you view it, you can only really tell the imperfections when you're up close. When you're not up close, you can't tell the imperfections. Other than that, y'all, it's a whole new car again. But like I said, I'll throw in some videos and some pictures showing y'all the damage. So I still gotta fix this. I really don't know what color I want to go with, but I still want to go with a full white. I might go with a brighter white. It wound up, this happened during a tornado. So we had a tornado in St. Louis, and one of the tree branches wound up falling on my side mirror and breaking that as well. My bad, yeah, if I kind of sound a little bit like drained. I'm like really tired. But I feel like it was kind of about that time for me to get another video out, even though if it don't do numbers, it don't do numbers. But to the people who actually want to know what's really been going into my life, you know, I really appreciate you. So I'd like to share this, you know, moment with you. But yeah, it's coming together slowly. Oh yeah, this kind of broke my heart. It broke my entire headlight. So these were not cheap. So I gotta buy a whole new brand new set of headlights. I might do something different when I do it. But with this side, I tried to get it aligned, but there's a bunch of rust at the bottom, so I might actually have to take it to somebody and have them do it. I know it kind of like bent the pillar up here a little bit, but I wasn't tripping about that. It did crack my window, and if I have to replace the whole window, this whole banner has to go, and that's the sad part. So I'm not really tripping on replacing it right now because it's not blocking my side of view when I'm driving, just this side. But yeah, that's mostly it. I know later on through the week, I'm supposed to be doing like a little bit more cosmetics to the rear end. So I'm finna get new tail lights. I'm finna tint those out. Tint my reverse lights, get some better looking ones. The car don't even have reverse lights, so let's be honest. And then this, I don't know if this works or not, so I have to see if it works. But there's a sticker I want to get right here. Just, you know, bring a little bit more modernization to the rear end of this car. But other than that, that's mostly all I got. Oh yeah, my wheel did get welded. I don't know if I can show y'all, but it's in there somewhere. But this rim had to get welded because it had a fat dent and a crack in it. So that was fun. I gotta clean these up too. Like ever since we got the car back together, I really haven't been I've been at work mostly. Like I never really get enough time to do it because I'm mostly working. But this is the time like I actually feel like I have time to make a vid and talk to y'all and show y'all my progress with this car, because I really didn't want to give up on this car. It's hard to give up on something that you wanted for so long, and I'm that type of individual. If I work for something for that long, I cannot give up on it. I'm going to, you know, want to continue to keep doing what I was doing. But overall, like I said, I'm happy with it. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I actually want to make a new video, something different. I want to kind of like reintroduce myself to a lot of these new folks and new people that has been coming across my channel. My bad, man, my throat is like, boy, I got cotton mouth. But just kind of like introduce myself to some of you folks. But I'm going to end this vid. I'm going to have my editor do his magic, and we finna get back onto this grind. But it's been your boy Marlik, and I'll catch y'all in the next. Peace.